In 2025, side hustles have evolved beyond mere supplementary income. They're now viable pathways to financial independence. With the rise of digital platforms, artificial intelligence, and remote work, individuals are leveraging these opportunities to build wealth and achieve greater freedom. Here are some of the most lucrative and accessible side hustles making people rich this year. Digital product creation. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, and templates has become a popular way to generate passive income. Platforms such as Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify enable creators to reach global audiences without the need for physical inventory. Key benefits: low startup costs, scalable income potential, and flexibility to work from anywhere. Getting started. Identify a niche or area of expertise. Develop a valuable digital product and market your product through social media and email campaigns. Ready to take the leap into financial independence? Start your side hustle journey today. Ever dreamt of running a business without the hassle of inventory? Welcome to the world of print on demand. Design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. When a customer buys, a third-party supplier prints and ships it. No upfront inventory costs, just pure creativity. Integrate with platforms like Etsy and Shopify effortlessly. Start by creating unique designs using tools like Canva. Set up your online store and let the world see your creations. Promote your products through targeted advertising. It's that simple. Ready to turn your ideas into reality? In today's digital age, online tutoring and coaching have emerged as rewarding side hustles. With e-learning on the rise, professionals can teach academic subjects or offer life coaching globally. The benefits? Flexible scheduling, leveraging existing skills, and high earning potential based on expertise. To start, identify your area of expertise and set up profiles on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Market your services through social media and professional networks to reach a wider audience. Virtual assistants is another booming field, offering remote administrative support to businesses. Tasks include email management, scheduling, and customer service, with rising demand as businesses outsource. Perks of being a virtual assistant include work-from-home flexibility and a diverse range of tasks. You can even specialize in areas like social media or bookkeeping for a more tailored career path. So whether it's tutoring, coaching, or virtual assistants, the online world offers endless opportunities. Creating content on YouTube and TikTok isn't just a hobby, it's a career path. With creative freedom, you can explore niches like education, entertainment, or lifestyle. The potential for viral growth is huge, and there are multiple revenue streams. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales can lead to substantial income. Step 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Step 2. Consistently produce high-quality content. Step 3. Engage with your audience and collaborate with other creators. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, it can be achieved. Freelance writing and editing is more than just a job, it's a lifestyle. With strong writing skills and subject matter expertise, you can create content for blogs, websites, and publications. Imagine setting your own hours, choosing from a diverse range of topics, and working with various clients. That's the freelance life. To start, build a portfolio showcasing your work. Join platforms like ProBlogger or Freelancer to find opportunities. Pitch your ideas to publications and businesses in your niche. The more you put yourself out there, the more your client base will grow. Freelancing offers the flexibility to work from anywhere, whether it's a cozy cafe or your own home office. It's not just about writing. It's about crafting stories that resonate and editing content that shines. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of freelance writing and editing, take the leap and start your journey today. AI-powered services are revolutionizing the way we do business. With AI, you can dive into prompt engineering, chatbot development, or AI-driven content creation. Why is this niche so lucrative? There's a high demand for AI expertise across industries. You get to work with cutting-edge technology every day, and the potential for high hourly rates is a game changer. So how do you get started? First, develop your skills in AI tools and platforms. Then, offer your services on freelance marketplaces. Stay updated with the latest AI trends and applications. These AI-powered side hustles offer diverse opportunities to build wealth in 2025. By leveraging digital platforms and honing your skills, you can create multiple income streams. Achieve greater financial freedom with AI-powered services.